Hi friends, welcome you again on my YouTube channel Product Design. So today we will be designing this CFL bulb and just take a look how simple it is. So let's start. Go to new for designing. So friends, all the value I roughly calculated in CGS. So convert it into CGS and go to top and sketch. Take a circle from the origin and radius is 4.2 by 2. It's 2.1. Okay, exit and extrude it in reverse direction of 3.8. Enter. Okay, now go to this plane and sketch. Draw a circle from the origin of radius 2.4 by 2. It's 2.1, sorry, 1.2. Okay, now exit and extrude it up to 1.1. Enter. Okay, now again go to this plane and sketch. Draw a circle of radius 1. Okay, now exit and extrude it up to 1.2. Okay, now go to this and again draw a circle of radius zero point 0.8. Keep it zero point 0.8. Okay, now exit extrude of zero point 0.2. Enter. Okay, now go to this plane, sketch. Now take the center rectangle, press Ctrl 8, start from this origin and okay, now dimension, give it value of zero point 0.9. Enter. And this one 0 0.5. Enter. Now take spline, start from this, here, here, here and here. Okay, now mirror it, mirror about right one. Okay, now exit and extrude it, extrude this one, this one and this one of 0 point 0.2. Okay, now apply fillet here, apply fillet of 0.09. Okay, now again okay of 0 0.9. Now apply fillet here of 0 point 0.2. Enter. And again apply fillet here of 1. Okay, now this surface and go to sketch, take center rectangle, press Ctrl 8 and from this origin, now give dimension to it of 1.6 in both the side. Okay, okay, now select and make it for construction. Okay, now take circle, draw from this corner and give radius 0.5. Okay, now mirror it, mirror about right plane. Okay, select it and right plane. Okay, now exit. Now take a new plane, go to feature and plane. With reference to this surface, keep distance 8.8. Okay, now go to this plane and sketch. So this time select these two circle and convert entities. Okay, before exit, select any one and make it for construction. Okay, now exit and hide this plane. Take a new plane with reference to right plane, and this time keep distance 0.8 so that it can pass through this center, these two center. Okay, you can see it passed through these two center. So go to this plane and sketch, press Ctrl 8, take line from this center to this center and go back to this point to make it arc. Okay, now here. Okay, now exit and swept boss. Path is selected, select the profile, anyone, and in both direction. Okay, now mirror it from here. Feature, select the feature, swept boss, and mirror face is the right plane. Okay, now select this sketch where it is, sorry, hide this plane and also hide this sketch. So for hiding this sketch, find out the sketch this one and hide it. Okay, now apply fillet here, and this time apply fillet of 0.5. Okay, now changing the display style. Okay, now apply material. Okay, go for light LED, choose white for the mirror and again for this one. Okay, for better view I am changing the background. Okay, now you can see very clearly, and change and give plastic, sorry, give something metal like aluminum to this one. Okay, and give something plastic, low gloss, black plastic. Just zoom it out, zoom it in and apply here. Okay, you can change the color and the material of the product according to the product requirement. That's uh, okay for me right now, so I'm leaving here. And if you like my work, please do subscribe and like my video. Thank you.